So boys,
أستاذ
today
بسرعة.
we are going to discuss page 30, which is about designing, constructing and predicting. Okay. Learn how a switch can break a circuit. The big idea is we can stop and start electricity. You can see here on the right side, there is a
أستاذ
way you can switch on and switch off,
بيج كم؟
right? Page 30, 30. Okay, so in this way, you can switch it on and off, right? قفل المايك يا حبيبي. Don't open your mics. We can stop and start electricity. Yani you can start electricity means kaharba. Why do we sometimes need to stop electricity? When you are going out from your home or from your room, you should stop electricity and switch off everything. What happens to a circuit if there is a gap in it? We will discuss it next. Look at the first picture here. Can you see that? Can you see that the switch is being turned off? This makes a gap in the circuit. How? Look here. In this way, if you switch it off, there is a gap. This is called
أستاذ
open.
الصوت ضعيف ما.
Okay, Abdurrahman, check your internet connection and join. Okay,
أستاذ الصوت
and
يقطع عندك.
okay,
السلام
here we
عليكم
have
ورحمة
Walaikum
الله
Salam.
وبركاته. أنا عزونا لصالح الحرب. السلام عليكم أنا عبد الرحمن.
Okay, Abdurrahman, welcome. Okay, so here you can see when you switch
فتحة كم
off,
يا أستاذ؟
page 30,
فتحة كم؟
13, page 30, please. Okay, so here you can see when you switch it off, there is a gap between the particles of a circuit. This means electricity cannot flow to the device and it does not work. Like if that electricity is coming from here, okay, it's coming from here and here and here, then but from here it stopped, right? Electricity wants the whole circuit to flow. Now switch has been turned on like this. This means the circuit has been completed and electricity flows to the device. Look at the picture below. Circuit with an open switch. There is a gap between two pieces of metal in a switch. These are two pieces of metal, so there is a gap. So this is not a complete circuit. In this switch is in the picture on or off? This is off because we switch it off to break the circuit. Switch is called circuit breaker. When we switch it off, there is a gap like this, so it will be off. Understand? Right here, off. On next page you can see here it's a closed switch. It's page 31. When you switch it on, it becomes closed and circuit is complete and electricity can flow. Look carefully at the picture. If of a closed circuit, there isn't a gap between the two pieces of metal. These two pieces of metal, there is no gap. They are joined. Two pieces of metal. This means the circuit is complete and electricity will flow. Is the switch in the picture on or off?
On on on.
Very good. It's on. Excellent. The switch is
On
on. Yes.
on
So we will write here on. Thank you, boys.
on.
Okay. Now you
I
can
am
listen
finished
me.
my.
Asil. Can you listen me? Amir. Asil, can you
Yes.
listen? Can you hear me? Good.
Yes.
Okay. So here we will write on. So here we have number
Finish.
2. Yes, number 2 we have question, which materials let
Finish.
electricity flow? Okay.
Finish. Finish.
Be quiet and listen to me, please. Which materials let electricity flow through them? They are called metals. They are called metals. Right here,
Finish.
metals.
Finish.
Don't say I
Metal.
finished. Yes. Thank you, Turkey. Metals.
Metals.
Yes. Why does the paper clip still light the bulb? Because it is metal. So it flows the, it allows to flow the electricity. Okay. Page 32 now. Designing, constructing, and predicting is the topic. Learn how a switch can break a circuit. Guess which circuit will work. This is the idea. Okay. Why is a circuit called a circuit?
Ustad.
Yes. Batal.
Ustad.
Yes, Batal.
और
You can.
लेक्चर भी में नहीं लगी.
Page 32, please. The word circuit comes from a word circle, which means circle, daira. Electricity can only flow around a circuit if all the components are connected. Connected, but there is no connection because there is a gap. It's mean circuit is broken. Circuit is broken. Okay, the current cannot flow. Only few around the flow around the circuit of if all the components are connected and there are no breaks in the wire. In the wire also no break. Do you know what the word predict means? Predict means you can see that this circuit will not work. Will not work. It's a prediction. And somebody will say maybe it will work. This is a prediction. It will work and it will not work. If you have a point, this is called prediction. Look at the picture of the circuit. Will the bulb light or not? No, because there is an open switch. This is an open switch, right? So current cannot flow. What do you predict will happen if this switch is closed? Closed means if it is closed, bulb will light up. The bulb you will get the light from the bulb if we switch it on. If circuit did not work even with the switch closed, what could you do? What could we do to find out where the problem is? We will test each component, like maybe battery is not good, maybe these metals are not good, maybe
Finish.
okay, maybe wire is broken. We will check each component, right? Okay, boys. So next you have homework.
Finish that.
Next is your homework, page 33. What is the homework? You will write, you will make a circuit around the picture A, B, or C, whichever you think is working properly. Every bulb is on. You can see here light, light, light. But which one is complete? Is it complete or not? You must check and make a circle. This is good and this is not good. Make a cross and tick or make a circle. Okay. And send it to me. Then you will write here the names. Like here you can see a battery. Choose the battery and write. This is switch. Buzzer is written. Bulb. Wires. Okay. Choose the words from word bank and write their names and send them to me. Thank you.